Hey everybody, my name is JulieB. Welcome to my channel. We're going to clean today. I had some changes here in the house yesterday, and so we had to pull things off of bookshelves, and we had to move furniture, which I moved already back, but yeah. So anyway, I'm going to turn y'all around and show y'all what we're going to be doing today. So, see, we got junk everywhere. That gets gone today. That will be going outside, as well as this. Those will go outside because I'm putting up all the red, white, and blue. And all of this. Do y'all notice something? The elephant in the room is gone. Yes, gone. Got rid of it last night. It was sold last night, I should say. This is all the stuff that was off the shelves that we've got to put up. More stuff. I transplanted plants yesterday. More stuff. More stuff. Then, as everybody knows, I'm doing my room. I got my mattress in that box. I got my bed frame in this box. I got my lamps. Over there is my tables, as well as something else. I don't even know what that is. Oh, those are my wood chips. Then, this is what we got to put everything back on. I can turn on the light. Hang on. Then we get to put everything back on these shelves. Everything back. Because Robert took everything off. Those are my deals for this. I got my big printing press today. Or no, I got part of it last week, and I got the other half this week. And so I'm gonna have my grandniece's fur babies. I'm gonna have my grand fur babies today, this weekend. So I'm gonna have my grand fur babies. My sister, I guess, is going out of town, and she needed somebody to watch the girls. And I call my grand fur babies. I'm Aunt Lily, and they like coming to my house. So. But yeah, that's what we're working with today. And so I'm going to get y'all on my tripod, and we're going to start this thing and get it done.
For the rest of my life, I'll be with you. I'll stay by your side, honest and true, to the end of my time. I'll be loving you for the rest of my life, through days and nights. I'll thank Allah for opening my eyes, now and forever. I'll be there for you. I know it deep in my heart. I feel so blessed when I think of you, and I ask Allah to bless all we do. You're my wife and my friend and my strength, and I pray we're together in Jannah. Oh, now I found myself, I feel so strong. Yes, everything was changed.
Well, my friends, that is going to be it for today. I'm not dusting my living room because I did it last week. Or earlier, no, I did it Monday. I did it off camera. So, because I was going to pick up the, oh gosh, sorry. I was going to pick up the camera on Monday, but I didn't. I started it, but I didn't do it. So anyway, I'm going to flip y'all around and show you what all we've done.